Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make cute felt DIY hair clips. So if you want to know how to make these cute hair clips, stay tuned and let's get into the video.
So what we need here, we have 2 pieces of felt paper. The width has both 2 centimeters. This one is 8 cm and the other one is 10 cm. I use this prong type of hair clip and it's 4.5 cm. So first you're gonna do is to find the center and you flip it like this. Then you are going to cut it like a V shape. Now we're done cutting both sides. Now it's time to trim and soften the edges. Okay, we're done. So let's save it for later. So ang next natin gagawin ay same lang din sa una natin ginawa kanina. Now both pieces are done. So it's time to tuck them up together. Okay, so iti-trim ko lang siya sa mga part na may mga lumalagpas to make it more pantay. So here it is. This is the look that we wanted. Now, let's do the hair clip. First, kumuha ka na ng any ribbonette. Gamit ko dito ay satin. May ribbonette. 1 cm lang rin yung size niya. So what we are going to do here is we are going to wrap the hair clip. So, ayan na yung hair clip natin. Naka-wrap na siya ng black. So, ayan, ipapatong na natin ang ating white felt sa ating yellow felt at pagkatapos ay sa atin namang hair clip. So, kumuha ulit ako yung ginamit ko kaninang 1 cm na satin ribbonette. So, finold ko siya into half. At yan ang ating gagamitin pang wrap sa ating hair clip. And we're done. So, ayan na po ang ating first cute na hair clip. So, sa pangalawang hair clip na gagawin natin, kailangan natin ng 3 piraso ng felt paper. Lahat sila, meron silang 2 cm na height. So, the first layer has 6 cm. The second layer, 8 cm. At ang pangatlong layer ng ating hair clip ay 5 cm. So, same lang ang gagamitin nating hair clip, which is 4.5 cm. So, first, isa-set aside natin ang third layer for later. Okay, for the first layer is same procedure sa ginawa natin kanina. Okay guys, so eto na siya. Super cute niya. Now, it's time. Kunin natin yung na-reserve natin for third layer. So, first, kunin mo lang ulit kung ano yung center niya at ika-cut mo siya again into a V shape. Now, itatak na natin silang tatlo. Okay, so it's kind of hard to explain this part, but as you can see, so here it is, our second cute little hairpin. So again guys, kumuha ulit ako ng 1 cm na satin ribbon. Okay, so ang ginawa ko dito ay pino-fold ko siya into half. Katulad lang din sa ginawa ko kanina. Okay, so now it's time to wrap the hair clip. And voila! The finished product. So cute. For the third hair clip na gagawin natin, same, kukuha tayo ng isang felt paper with 2 cm in height and isang ribbonette na 1 inch. So, the width of the felt is 8 cm at ang width naman ng ating ribbonette ay 19 cm. And same lang din sa prong na ginamit natin kanina. So, basically, we do the same thing. Okay, for the ribbonette, so kumuha lang ako ng isang cardboard shaped like this. So, i-wrap ko lang siya and tie it together at the center. So, I have here a black thread. Okay, so nilagyan ko siya ng hair clip both sides or kahit anong clip na pwede nyong magamit para hindi mag-move yung ribbonette kapag tinatali nyo na siya. So ngayon, ang gagamitin ko naman ay itong silver na ribbonette. 1 cm lang din ang kanyang size. At ito ang ating gagawin pang wrap ng ating hair clip. So this is what it looks like. So itatak lang natin sila together. And we're done! Ayan, it's so cute. So eto siya guys, super social tingnan.
Alright, so here's the finished product, guys. As you can see, it's so cute. Alright. You can even sell this. Okay, now let's try to put it on. So here, this one is my favorite. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do so, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching. Mwah.